All right, guys, let's talk about Systeme IO FAQ number 7. This is a very, very important one when it comes to Systeme IO. Now, if anyone is thinking about this particular FAQ number 7, it simply means that the person is serious with his business and he wants to take it from one level of just trying the system or just trying the platform to a level of, you know what, I want to invest and actually use this platform for real business. And it's at that point that the person will start thinking about this particular FAQ. I'm talking about FAQ number 7, which simply is about how can I connect my Systeme IO account to a custom domain? Because once you are thinking in this direction, simply means you cannot see the light and you are saying, wow, I need to work on Systeme.io. I need to have a custom domain. I need to have a serious business domain that people can go see my offer, patronize my services and product. So let me take you through the system on what you need to do. First, before you connect your domain name and to configure the DNS, right, to have the DNS configuration done, you need to sort out problem number 1, which is to have a domain name in the first instance. And how do you do that? You can just Google namecheap.com, right? Go on namecheap.com and you can go and sign up for your domain name. That is how to get it done. That's the first step. Step number 1, you go to namecheap.com. Another option that you can actually utilize is to go to another platform called Pokebon, right? You can go to Pokebon. On Pokebon, you are able to literally buy your own domain name on the platform as well. So what you need to do right now is to head on to this particular place, namecheap.com, right, and get yourself a domain name. First, you want to check the domain name if it's even available at all. So if I want to go with a domain name, I can just say opalo.com, right, and just check if it's available. So you can also use place like Pokebon for the same thing to check. It's a very fantastic place to get a domain name. Very nice place, right? So once you do that, you have your domain name and your domain name is ready. Now you can go and connect the domain name on the Systeme IO platform. Remember, if you do not have a domain name, there is nothing to connect in the first place. So you need to go buy the domain name first before you even talk about linking it up on the platform. So once you have it, you can now go onto Systeme IO platform for the linking of this domain name. All right, guys, the moment you have your domain name, you've bought your domain name and you have it ready. Let's say you have the name of your domain name, it can be jogodosilo.com, can be okpalo.com, it can be anything, your name, Faith, whatever name you have, you buy your domain name, right? Now, so the next thing you want to do is to go to Systeme.io. When you go to Systeme.io, what you want to do, probably you're on your dashboard or wherever place you are on your Systeme.io account, you want to go and click on settings, right? You want to go and click on the settings. The moment you click on settings, it's going to give you, open this settings interface for you. By the left-hand corner, you scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see custom domains. Then you click on the custom domains, right? The custom domain is going to open an interface for you where you can now take the information you got, like the domain name you bought from Namecheap or Pokebon. You just carry that particular domain name. You bring it right here into this place. All right, so the moment you click here, boom, it's going to open this interface for you. On this interface, you will notice that if you already have domain names, right? You already have domain names here, you will see them here. If you don't have any, you're going to see just one, which is the one that carries the Systeme IO extension, right? Whatever your name.systeme.io. Then what you want to do now is to go here, add domains. You click on add domains. It will open for you here. Enter the names. Enter the name of the domain you want. Enter the name. Let me say I want to use this particular name, right? .co. You just click enter. The moment you click enter, it's going to open, it's going to create a domain name for you. And once you create domain name, it will show you domain name successful and it will give you this instruction immediately. You will see this instruction. Now, once you see this instruction, just don't even close it. Just leave it. Even though you close it, you can be able to open it, but just leave it and configure this stuff immediately. Now, once you have this, you quickly go to the place where you bought the domain name. If you got it from Namecheap, you want to come to Namecheap, you sign into your Namecheap account. After signing up, you go to the dashboard, you will now see domain list. You click on domain listings, it will bring you here. You will see all your domains, all the listings, everything. Now, what you want to do here is this. The moment you see the domain that you bought, right, you will see option here to manage. If you don't see option here, you just click here, you will see manage option. You click manage. And once you click manage, it's going to open a new interface for you to manage the domain and have the configuration done. So this is the interface now, right, where we are going to configure this particular domain name so that it can communicate with Systeme.io host and have your website, your landing pages show on the internet when anybody decide to visit your website. So now let's do the configuration here. So now once we click on what we are managing, once we click on that manage, it brings us here. You want to go to advanced DNS, right? Domain name server. That is the meaning of DNS. You click on the advanced DNS, it's going to open for you. The moment it opens up, then we start the configuration. Now look at it. This is how we go about the configuration. Now see something here. Once you are here, you want to add a new record, right? Click on new record and just go back to your Systeme.io settings. On your settings, you have your first column, you have this first place and this second place. Now, see, just follow, it's simple. All right, so once you find yourself here, what you want to do in this place is to go here, is to say add new record. Click on add new record. And the type of record we want to add is called CNAME record. You click on CNAME record, you will see host and target. Now, where you have this host and target, just go back, right? Go back to your configuration. Just copy www. Look at it, just copy this place here. Copy www. Right? Take it back to the advanced DNS. Look at this place here, paste the www. Just put the www, then go to target. Now, go back to this place where you have CNAME. Just copy everything you have here. Copy, go back to advanced DNS, you paste the target. Then you just click here, save changes. The moment you do this, you're going to do it again, you repeat it again, right? Still the same kind of record, CNAME record. You have CNAME record under this host. You click the host, you go back to your settings, you come under the next column, copy everything and stop here before you go to silo.co, right? Copy everything and take it back under the host, you paste it here. Then you click target, you go back again to the settings and copy this place here. Everything here, copy it and take it to the advanced DNS, right? You paste it and also you click save. Everything is on automatic. Once you have this done, you are good to go. Once you have this done, you are good to go. Within 24 hours, it will be populated and you've created your domain registration. You've linked your domain name to your website and now you are ready to start to receive visitors. They will pay, buy something from you, and you are making money with your website or your landing pages. So let's go to FAQ number 8.